In this video, you will learn how to contact Shopify's online support. Shopify offers live chat support for quick responses. This is one of the most efficient ways to contact Shopify. Step 1. Go to the Shopify Help Center. Then, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Contact Support. Sign into your Shopify account if you aren't signed in already. Then select Support Topic related to your issue. Shopify will provide an option where you can choose live chat with a supportive representative. Then, you can communicate to them your problem. If you do not want to use a live chat, email support is also available. You can go to email support by visiting the Shopify Help Center, scrolling to the bottom of the page and clicking Contact Support. Sign into your Shopify account, choose the relevant topic, then provide an option with contacting the support via email. If you want to phone them, Shopify also does have a phone line. Visit the Shopify Help Center, scroll to the bottom and click Contact Support. Sign into your account if prompted, then select the relevant topic. After that, request a call back and get their phone number. So then, you can fix your problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.